My name is Liz Roth, and I am the 6th grade Information Technology and Digital Citizenship teacher. Every student in 6th grade will take Digital Citizenship once a week for the entire year, and they will take InfoTech twice a week for half of the year, either the first semester or the second semester. I want to take the time to share with you some information about our courses, which I think your students are really going to like.
Information Technology at Cosgrove Middle School. Information Technology, or InfoTech, meets twice per cycle for 20 weeks, and it rotates with library skills. Here's a little bit of information about the teacher, me, Mrs. Roth. So what is information technology? We like to think that information technology is a class that gives students technology skills that will allow them to adapt and prepare for the future. So some things that you need for class every day are a charged laptop, earbuds or headphones, and some students like to have a mouse for their laptop, although this is completely optional. InfoTech is a pass-fail course, meaning students either pass or fail. And the idea is that we're focused on the quality of the work rather than the grade that the students might get.
Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at eroth@spencerportschools.org. Thanks and have a great school year.